Hi guys, that's our third lesson for today. So now today, I'm just gonna show you maybe the website that maybe you can use to see which where you can like where you can read make most of forex, right? For this maybe for like beginners, but then I would recommend that all of us maybe like go on the website, maybe just be reading. So I'm gonna show you where to find uh, most of maybe the information that's gonna be required for you to read and get the basic understanding, like the basic, right? Like what is forex? Like it's a breakdown of what is forex, and then you get it there, right? So let me show you now the website that we're gonna be using, right? That's to learn. That's forexpips.com. That's where you are learning most of the forex stuff, information and basics, most of the stuff that like you require like to learn, not required but as such, but then like the knowledge, that's where we grab maybe a lot of knowledge, right? That's where most of forex traders start from. If you just start, right, like me the PDF that you can get, not a PDF but in the website, then you can see the way forward that you can go with there on that website. So now this is the let me just show you how to gonna go into it and show you where you find the information that you're gonna need. Right, we here right now. I'm just going to show forexpips.com, right? I'll get the section forexpips, forexpips, forexpips.com, 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 forexpips, babypips.com, or forexpips.com. But the most people just know it really as forexpips. This one there, it's babypips, forexbabypips.com. Okay, all right, then yeah, that's the website that we're gonna be using to learn like about forex. New to forex, start here. Let's just come in like learn forex. Have to learn forex, then start on learn forex. You can start from you can be fine then. Guys, as I was saying, sorry about that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to cut this video. Edit it, right? As you come to learn forex, and then you start your course, right? It's gonna be your first course, actually, basically. Right? Just come to this, so you start with your just like the breakdown of what is forex, right? Now, because you have to begin on preschool, right? As begin now on preschool, what is forex? What do you do? Do you trade forex? How do you trade forex? When can you trade forex? Who trades forex? So that gives you like a breakdown. It's like, oh, beginners, like you see me when you're 3 years old and you go to like daycare and stuff, and they teach you like how to count what is for one, or how to count your letters and how to do like understand like, how you understand me guys. That's like what yo, that's what this like preschool like gives you on forex. So it's a large industry, like huge industry. It gives you like a study and entry, like enters you into forex. So yeah, so guys, yeah, basically this is how I'm gonna be that with right. So now please just be on like maybe even if maybe you can read maybe like a course, just maybe course one, please guys. Just maybe do course one and tomorrow gonna be on course two. And maybe we can have like discussions. Like the more like we discuss about it, like the more and our knowledge and broader we get on our knowledge, guys. See. So guys, yeah. Let's see how if it start course, let's just start the course. Let's see how we start the course. And it's preschool, we're still on the preschool, like preschool. Guys, to think the stock market is huge. Think again, learn about the largest financial market in the world, how to trade it. Guys, forex trips, everyone starts from for forex trips. Everyone who made it big in forex has forex trips as their foundation. Like that's your foundation in forex. Like, you know, your knowledge is your like foundation. So now you have to like maybe like be on it on a daily basis, like study it, like study like if it was a book, it would have been better. And I'm sure there's a book, Forex Peeps. Maybe Peeps, sorry, man, I'm almost saying Forex Peeps. Now, okay, there are Forex Peeps then, but then like babypeeps.com, that is the website to be on, right? I'll try to get a PDF of this, because I had it on a USB for myself. I had it on a USB, and that's how we used to study. Like I'll put it and take notes, by the way. Take notes down. Take notes. Get a book. Get a separate books, right? Just take notes of those. Maybe like then don't summarize the whole part. But then get a book. Like what maybe could you maybe like on this first maybe what is forex? Just write maybe uh oh okay, this one means updated one. But global pandemic. I didn't have this type of note. It's a global pandemic. Global, global. Okay, what is forex? Maybe you can take this. The global financial market that allows one to trade currencies. And write it down. Take that note down. Right. You just giving me broke down what to write. Once upon a time before the global pandemic, people could get in on a plane. Nope. You need to write that down. What is forex? Forex, this type of thing we have foreign exchange market, which usually known as forex or FX, as we have on our shandies, FX limitless. That's maybe the thing. So that's my phone. Notification coming in. Notification. It's new level shandies. New level notification. Yeah. My is it. And all right, okay. Just give me the important things. Compared to the measly 200 billion per day volume of the New York Stock Exchange, NYCE, the foreign exchange market looks absolutely gener- ginormous with its 6.6 trillion a day volume. So this is 6.6 trillion. That's like the market makes it has like 6.6 trillion in volume that comes in, but then stays at 6.2, stays, comes in that 6.2 million around the globe that everyone is trading upon, right? So there's no way that maybe the market maybe could ever maybe go down and maybe say there's no money for us. Like, it's always gonna be the trillion trend. It can keeps on changing and keeps on getting going higher and going slow, but then higher as it goes. So that trend, 6 trillion trend. People that make millions and can you withdraw millions? What's a million on a trillion trend? On a trillion? That's more than a billion actually, right? So there's no one that can maybe can trade maybe say trillion to take all of that money. So then That simply means maybe the market's gonna be there for a very long time. If maybe doubting it, maybe so it's not legit. It is legit. The people that live on it on a daily basis, and that people that, that trade it and like live that trade on it and then make it and make that money and put that money maybe into a trust fund or something and leave it for the next generations to come, right? Maybe the product knowledge that I got from someone, right? From a mentor that I heard on YouTube, right? Some people are gonna be looking at this from a YouTube perspective, right? But now 300, yeah, there's no way that can that much can just go down. Or is even though maybe we find your market, like maybe let's say maybe the 200 goes in, then you trade it, comes like 10,000, take it out, it comes from this 10 trillion, that's why 10,000 rands, talking about dollars here, where it comes from, right? And then next, the largest stock market in the world, the New York Stock Exchange trades volume of about 200 billion each day. If you used if you used a monster to represent the NYCE, it would look like this. This is the NYCE, right? Look intimidating. Okay, let's keep that those were examples, right, of what of how the trillion rand is made up of, right? Besides the crypto. You see, you haven't even went to the crypto, what is happening in the crypto side of things. Average daily trading volume, right, of each exchange market, stock exchange, then make up, then the forex. Oh, guys, come on, guys. Look at the forex market compared to every other market. The London Stock Exchange, but then this is the stock exchange, right? It's then stock. We also have the JSE Stock Exchange. Then the JSE, I don't know how much it's on, what trading volume it's on, but then obviously it's a high volume. But then look at the forex side of things. Right? That's what people have like higher gains on, and that's how maybe like investors that invest in like not in like forex market, not on stock exchange, have like a greater ROI, return on investment, because now because of the ROI. It's like maybe it's not like set by people. You set your own RO like your own ROI and so on. Not decided maybe on because now the stock exchange they can tell you okay, there's a percentage that require the terms and conditions to be on the percentages. On the forex market, you can be trading like on a daily basis. You can take a high risk and so on. But now the risk on the exchange market is limited. That's why people maybe like go on maybe the forex market because now there's no limit to your like FX limitless. That's why like the name of my institution is FX limitless because there's no limit to strategies. It's a amount that you can get to your call and so on. I'm also maybe amaze myself like there's no limit to it. There's no limit to forex. Forex limitless. Forex limitless. There's no limit to forex, right? Can make billions on forex out of forex and can pay billionaire, right? There's no limit to it. There's unlimited strategy that you can use, obviously, right? The return on investment is unlimited. There's no limit to the of investment. It's you who decide maybe what you wanna gain, about how hungry you are. That's when you decide, right? All right, the next. One of the important things, Angela, the forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Only closes down during the week, right? The forex market, the forex like your pairs, right? Some markets that so unlike the stock or bond markets, the forex market does not close at the end of each business day. All right. The stocks maybe have maybe like they open for like 10 hours a day, 10 hours a day. But then the forex opens for 24 hours. But the stock market can, I think they also, I with the crypto market, okay, cool, let's go to the crypto market now. The crypto market open, it opens for like the whole week, doesn't close at all. If you check Bitcoin, it doesn't close it at all. But then compared to the forex market and the stock market, but then mostly on for us, we're on the forex market. On the forex market, from Monday to Friday, right? Monday to Friday only, that's it. On weekends, dude, it doesn't open, right? For the stocks, compared to stocks. For those who want to trade stocks or want to be on stocks, it's traded like on the stock market is like it's open like from I think maybe for, for the US stocks it's like from 10 to 5, 10 to 5, 15, 17 or 3, 10 to 5 or 73, round about there, right? Yeah, that's how the stock market goes. So for better knowledge, this like extra knowledge of how stocks go on. Like they open like for a few hours on a day, right? But then when they open, like this time like to trade them, like I want like trade them. So now as we're reading here, like you can take notes on okay, let's read this. The day starts when traders wake up in Auckland or Wellington, then moves to Sydney, Singapore, Hong Kong, Tokyo, Frankfurt, London, and finally New York. Before trading starts all over again in New Zealand. What this speaks basically it talks about it's like for those who study geography, right? Can we not go to school, right? For those who study geography, there's time frames, right? To everything, right? It says time frames, right? Also in the first one, there's time frames. So then some people could be trading the stations actually to be traded on. The Sydney station, there's Tokyo station, there's London station, and then there's a I forgot there's Tokyo station, right? Tokyo, London, US, then London. The Tokyo station is it's mainly in the morning, right? Then that's when we get your place like your Japanese your yen pairs like maybe those are other pairs in the morning that like they move, right? They move like they be moving like the movement on them like it's too much, and then you get them in during the day like they're moving slow because now in S if in SA then like get them like they're moving slow, right? Like they're moving slow because now the, like in like Tokyo obviously when you're sleeping they're awake and then when you're awake they're sleeping, so obviously we like straight and when like it's impulsing the movement like it's moving like oh it's like maybe 50 pips like maybe in 2 hours like that's during the night for us like at 1:12 around about that time till 3 that's when like you're sitting and it's so like they're moving. And then for us, maybe to for us actually, we privilege of the privilege. That's why maybe most rate me to like GBP, yabo, USD, and all the USD pairs, like the GBP pairs and USD pairs, because now they usually maybe like be on like moving like during the day. And New York and us maybe when the weekend maybe you're also up, right? Then the movement on it like it's moving like the movement. That's why maybe during the night around about 10, 12, like GPUSD maybe slow in the movement. I think during the day, like this fast. That's what maybe we call maybe session as the US session, then you have the London session. The London session obviously talking about the British economy, right? That's when maybe that's when we're moving, right? Or like that's when maybe if the privilege is traded. 'Cause now during the day we're moving. During the day they are up. During the day we are also up. And I hope you get me guys. During the day, they're up. During the day, we're also up. But then you're taking that London session. For London session, we have something that I'm talking about. It's on this website. It's like the London session, and then we have the Tokyo session. Tokyo session, it's during the night rise for us in SA, and then the London session and the US session. The London session is me from 12 or from 11 to 5. From 11 to 5. That's the time to trade and like on H1 and like find those like your huge movement. During that time, just trade the GBP USD, like the trade your United States and all this is when they moving like the movement on them that it's big and huge. Right. And then the US session, which maybe early like it's early, like from 8 trade your pairs that have like the USD inside of it, right? Then after that, move to GBP. Then I gonna be probably it's gonna be more profit, right? And move on to the next sessions and times and time frames, right? So now What is trading in forex? What is trading for the simple answer? What is traded in forex? What is trading? What is trading in forex? The simple answer is money, specifically currencies. Right? So trading money on currencies. It's money put on currencies. That's what you basically mean by that, by saying that, right? So okay, think of buying a currency as buying a share in a particular country, kind of like buying shares in a company. And so, now let's see. So now you have the currencies, and then you can put in the money like in that currency. It's simply like as you buying shares, buying buying shares in a country in a particular country. But then how much you put is not equivalent to how much it's gonna be returned. You can put your money there, trade it, gain. Your gains are not maybe like limited, right? There's no percentage. There's no percentage that's gonna say okay, because now you're not like trading not like investing in an economy, right? But then you're trading on that economy, not on that economy, on that currency, trading on the currency, not on the economy. But now, maybe when you invest into a country, like there's a required percentage that's gonna come back to you. And then there's not a required pattern, a required you to receive a certain percentage from your investment. I hope you can, guys. But in the forex, investing on the currencies, there's like no limit to it. You can trade and trade, put it on amount that you want to, or that you desire. Your goal, you can have your goal, you can have your targets, right? Okay. We are betting that the Japanese economy is doing well and will even get better as time goes on. I'll just skip this information. The price of the currency is usually a direct reflection of the market opinion on the current and future health of the respective economy. In forex trading, when you buy, say, the Japanese yen, you are basically buying share in the Japanese economy, right? So now for that to be saying that, it means that, let me just explain this. We move on. So now in forex trading, when you buy, say, the Japanese yen, you're basically buying a share, right? In the Japanese economy, right? You are betting that Japanese yen is doing well and will get better as time goes on. That's when you're buying it, right? So now you're saying maybe like Japanese yen is gonna be going up, right? And the economy is doing well. I'm explaining what actually I can't break it down. Like it is as simple as it is, right? When you're buying it. Let's say maybe this GBP, GPY. In that instance, you're gonna have to sell that economy, right? Because now you're saying now the Japanese yen is gonna be doing well more than the British economy. In that instance, you're gonna be selling that economy, that currency pair, right? GBP, JPY. If the Japanese yen, the Japanese economy is doing well more than the British economy, let me do for those people that watch news first. But then for my institution, more on the technical side of things. Right? I know we can just continue, but then remove this betting part of things. Not betting here. You're serious here. Not betting here, yeah, bro. Just the breakdown of how they get. That's a simple way that I can break it down. But then some people take this very serious. Not betting. It's not like a Hollywood bet on yeah, so, Hollywood just go in there. Put in your mind. Some people make money. Some people don't make money. Like, you know what I mean? They're called major currencies. So now we have major currencies, right? Like just major currencies are major economies. Let's put it simple and let's go on what is traders if on what they consider major economies that. The upside you ones who probably got straight A's and followed all the rules as children only consider USD, Euro, APY, GBP, and CHF. They, then they label odd NZD, CAD, commodity as commodity. Commodity economies are not maybe your major currencies. Those type of currencies maybe that maybe don't move on the forex market. Like the movement on this type of actor slow. For beginners, the commodity currencies you should that should be the currencies that you like, teach yourself on because now they're commodity maybe there's not much movement on them, right? And then that's it, guys, for the day. Call from my side, buying and selling. That's gonna be for tomorrow, guys. Just give me maybe like two lessons in the preschool. Please, guys, continue read there. Just take some notes. I hope like you got me on like what note to take, what not to take, and what not to take. Right, as his name down. Please get a book, guys. You just maybe just be scripturing down those important parts. I want. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. If it's limitless, fun with forex, and I'm out.